guys, just wanted to show you this gorgeous miniature dollhouse that my parents have made. Look at that. I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of it. I'll show you the outside first, and then Dad's going to open up the doors and I'll show you inside. Oops, I'm in the shadows. There's a little person there. Look at that. It took them 2 years to make. It's just beautiful. Such intricate work. Alright, now Dad's going to open it up and then I'll show you. Okay, so Dad's opened it all up, as you can see. The side doors are open, the bottom's open. I'm going to just go over here and show you. I'll just show you each room real quick.
That's the boys' room.
Oh, that's the boys' room, okay. Look at all the furniture. It's just amazing. Lamp shades. There's even a map on the wall. What's this one? Little girl's room. Oh, look, isn't it gorgeous? She's got little dollies in there. And she's even got a dollhouse. A dollhouse inside a dollhouse. A little rug on the floor. And then down here, what's this?
Study.
This is a study.
Study and art.
Yeah, there's a desk. Oh, and there's a little dog. Look at that chandelier.
The little newspapers.
Oh, yes, little newspapers. So intricate, isn't it? And then down here, oh, there's a pool table down there. What room's that, Mum?
Dining room and pool room.
Dining room and pool room. Look at that. Wine bottles there. And a stately gentleman with his little dog. And there's a fireplace in the background and actual little fireplace tools. There's a dartboard, dining room, table, chairs. They've got their own rug there. And then down here, oops, I need to crouch down.
That's a servant's bedroom.
Servants' quarters down the bottom here. On the bottom level is the servants' quarters. So there's their bedroom in there. A little potty on the floor. And
servants' living room.
Servants' living room with a potbelly stove, is it?
Yeah. And
little couches there for them to sit on, and I think this was their entry, was it? You said it was the
entry.
Servants' entry, yeah. Amazing.
And the people who deliver for deliveries and things like that.
Yeah, looks like she's cleaning the floor maybe, or preparing some potatoes. Oh, I need to get back up again. Rightio. And then what's in here, Mum? This section, this middle section here.
It's a bathroom.
Oh, there's more goodies in here. So there's a bathroom in there. Look at that. So amazing, isn't it? There's a bath and a vanity, there's a mirror.
There's painting on the bathroom.
Painting. There's a heater on the wall. There's the loo. Lights. Everything works. And there's a different floor as well. And then down here, just below the bathroom.
That's the landing.
That's the landing. Okay, and look down there. There's the staircase down there with a giant chandelier hanging above the staircase. It's just amazing, isn't it? Such intricate work. It took you 2 years, hey, Mum?
Yeah.
Wow. Certainly a feat.
It's the entry hall.
Oh, and down here, this is the main entry hall. So that's where the staircase goes up. And there's a coat stand. What's over here on this side? A mirror, another chandelier. All these lights work. Doorways from each room into other rooms. Another little mat. And then we go back up here to the top. What's this? Oh, art room. Sewing room, isn't it, Mum?
It's, yes, a sewing room and sort of a reading room. It's kind of a working room, really.
Yeah.
For the servants.
Oh, look, it says Christmas decorations, a box full of decorations. And there's a little sewing machine. Is that a little box of fabric there, is it?
Yes.
So cute. And then over here, oh, look at this. This is looks like a nursery. And there's a nanny, by the looks of it, holding a little bundle of joy. Little rocking horse, little girl playing on a rug, little what's that little trailer? What do they call those little things?
That's the little boys used to drag them around.
Yeah. And look in the background, there's a pram, one of those old-fashioned prams. More lights. And there's, see the wallpaper? Each room's got different wallpaper. It's got curtains. There's a change table. It's just so intricate, isn't it? Just amazing. And for some reason, I don't know why, but Mum and Dad don't want this in their house anymore. It is big. So I'm going to take it and keep it safe. And I'll pass it on to my girls one day. And then their girls can pass it on. Their girls can pass it on to their girls one day. Master bedroom, is it? Oh, there's the lady of the house sitting there. Look at her shoes.
She's only half dressed.
She is. There's a little cat next to her in the bed. Oh, and those chairs. What are those chairs called? Those are gorgeous. Sort of lounge chairs. Divided into 4. There's a dressing table with a chair. Master bed. Paintings on the walls. Wall sconces. More lights. Ceiling rows. Different wallpaper again. Just amazing. Oh, here we go. Look at this. This is a big room here. Is this the main living room, is it, Mum?
Living room, yes.
Oh, look, there's a piano. Wow, look at the piano.
And a violin.
And a violin. And there's a little stand with music on it. And look, you can look out through the window. It's got curtains on it. This room's got a different wallpaper again. It's got candelabras there. And there's someone sitting in front of the fireplace with a little poodle. It's a poodle. One of my teacup poodles. Gorgeous fireplace there. Those two are sitting there having a little chat. Little couch. Another little lady sitting there, or standing there I should say. She's just come through that doorway, hasn't she?
Look at the work in the bird cage too.
Oh, is that a bird cage? Wow.
There's a little bird in there somewhere.
Is there? Look at the walls. They look like brick walls, don't they, on the outside? Is that a telephone? A telephone? No, there's a light switches, are they, on the wall there? This little thing must be a light switch, I think. Just amazing. And then down here in the servants' quarters again. Oh, let me scrunch down. Is this where that's where they prepare the food for the main house, is it?
Yeah, the kitchen.
Okay, that's their kitchen there. There's a little dog scratching. What's that on the side of the table? Is that like a sausage maker or something? A little silver thing on the right hand side of the table.
Oh yes, that's we used to have one of those that you put meat in the
yeah,
top.
a grinder,
turn
like
the
a
handle.
yeah, it makes mincemeat. Meat mincer. Look at all those little utensils. There's a kettle, there's bread, there's just so many little tiny intricate accessories in this amazing dollhouse. She's sweeping and there's some newspapers there on the floor. It's just incredible, isn't it? Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? There's rafters in the ceiling. Look at those rafters. Just amazing. All right, let me get back up again. And these doors are all hinged, so you can close them up.
Do you want me to close it?
Okay, Mum, do your thing. Close them up. There we go. And then look at the garden. There's a little garden house down here. What do you call this, Mum? Garden house? Conservatory or something?
Conservatory.
Conservatory with a glass roof.
Where's that front part?
And there's a little bird bath there in the garden. They've just put so much into it. There's grass, there's a little fence, tree, lovebird sitting there on the couch, or a little outdoor bench I should say. And then inside the conservatory, let's see if we can see in there. A little bit difficult to see in there. Someone's having a tea party by the looks of it. Inside the conservatory. And in the background maybe they're potting a plant. Little bicycle there. looks as if it's a stone floor. And then this extra area that Mum's just added on, this is that's the servants' quarters there, isn't it?
Entrance and
servants' entrance there.
Servants and deliveries.
Yeah, so if you want to enter the main house, you come up these stairs here and go to the front door. And there's actually a little letter in the letterbox. Oh, there we go. That is just amazing. Thank you for showing everybody your beautiful dollhouse, Mum and Dad.
You're very welcome.
I will certainly take care of it. Okay, hope you all enjoyed that. See you soon.